Did you know that the tongue of a blue whale can weigh as much as an elephant? It's true. These ocean giants are the largest animals on our planet. To give you a sense of scale, their hearts alone can weigh almost a ton, roughly the weight of a small car. And here's a fun fact. These massive hearts only need to beat once every 10 seconds. Imagine that, the biggest heart in the animal kingdom beating so slowly. That's quite a heart, isn't it? Did you know about Ella Slack? She had an unusual job as Queen Elizabeth II's stand-in. Yes, a royal understudy of sorts. Chosen for her similar height, Ella would rehearse the Queen's big events to ensure everything would be just right. But there was one rule: no sitting on the throne. Instead, she'd hover above it, practicing the royal squat. It's not every day you get to be a queen, even if it's without the throne. So, she was a queen for a day, but without the throne. Do you know about the Manhattans? Let's take a stroll through the bustling streets of New York City, where amidst the towering skyscrapers lies a unique ant species. This special breed of ants is known as Manhattans, and they've made their home in a specific 14-block strip of the city. Unlike any other ant species on Earth, these urban dwellers have adapted to thrive in the concrete jungle that is Manhattan. And that, my friends, is a testament to the resilience of nature. Talk about a concrete jungle. Guess which city rejected the Eiffel Tower? That's right, it was Barcelona. The Eiffel Tower, with its towering iron lattice and iconic silhouette, was initially intended to grace the Spanish city. However, Barcelona turned it down, dismissing it as too ugly. Undeterred, Gustave Eiffel, the mastermind behind this architectural marvel, pitched it to Paris. The French critics weren't exactly thrilled either, but they agreed. And so, the Eiffel Tower found its home. Now, it stands tall as one of the most iconic landmarks in the world. Did you ever see a shell garage actually shaped like a shell? It may sound odd, but in the 1930s, 8 shell garages were constructed in this distinctive form. Although 7 of these unique structures have disappeared over time, one still stands proudly in North Carolina, offering a whimsical glimpse into the past. Now, let's take a leap across the Atlantic to the stunning landscapes of Scotland. Here, you'll find the world's shortest commercial flight. Operated by regional airline Loganair, this flight connects the islands of Westray and Papa Westray. Despite the islands being just 1.7 miles apart, this short hop is an essential lifeline for the local communities. Astonishingly, the entire journey takes just 90 seconds. Yes, you heard it right. 90 seconds. From a shell-shaped garage to a blink and you'll miss it flight. Our world is full of fascinating surprises. Who knew a flight could be shorter than this video? Are you aware that dolphins have names for each other? Yes, you heard that right. According to National Geographic, these intelligent marine creatures use unique whistle sounds to distinguish between different members in their pod. This fascinating communication method allows them to maintain complex social structures, showcasing their remarkable cognitive abilities. Now, let's dive from the ocean depths to something as commonplace as your bathroom. Did you know the blob of toothpaste on your toothbrush has a name? It's called a nurdle. This tiny, often overlooked detail was once the subject of a hefty lawsuit, believe it or not. 2 toothpaste companies battled over who had the right to portray this little dollop in their advertisements. So there you have it. From the distinctive whistles of dolphins to the humble nurdle on your toothbrush, the world is full of curious facts waiting to be discovered. Next time you brush, remember the nurdle. Did you know Istanbul straddles 2 continents? Imagine a city with one foot in Europe and the other in Asia. That's Istanbul for you. This Turkish city is uniquely positioned, divided by the Bosphorus Strait, a narrow body of water that connects the Black Sea to the Mediterranean via the Sea of Marmara. On one side, Istanbul is a neighbor to Greece and Bulgaria, while on the other, it's just a stone's throw from Syria, Iran, and Iraq. One city, 2 continents. Unique, isn't it? Ever wondered how many trees are on our planet? Prepare to be amazed. There are more trees on Earth than there are stars in the solar system. Yes, you heard that right. Now, let's talk about something cool. Literally, did you know that water can both boil and freeze at the same time? This fascinating phenomenon is known as the triple point. It's where water exists simultaneously as a gas, a liquid, and a solid. Our planet truly is an amazing place, don't you think?